Hello, my name is Edmund Sides. I'm a resource geologist and I've been working in the mining industry for most of my career, initially in exploration and then on advanced projects and operating mines. And I just want to give you a brief overview of a course that I'll be giving in Serbia on the 18th of 19th of May in Belgrade. The course will first provide an overview of the development of CRIRSCO, which is the Mineral Reserves International Reporting Standards Committee, and the CRIRSCO family of mineral reporting codes and standards. CRIRSCO, as you can see from the map, includes 14 member organizations from around the world, one of which is PERC, the Pan-European Reserves and Resources Reporting Committee. The course will include then an overview of the PERC Reporting Standard as an example of one of the CRIRSCO reporting codes, and it will include discussion of topics such as competency, public reports, and the Table 1 checklist. The course will then go on the second day to cover some other topics in more detail, including the reasonable prospects for eventual economic extraction, which is a test that has been met before one reports a mineral resource, and also the modifying factors which are used to convert mineral resources to mineral reserves. It'll also touch on aspects of risk and uncertainty and ESG, environmental, social and governance aspects, which are two specific requirements for the PERC Reporting Standard 2021. The course should be of interest to anyone who's preparing or using reports that are prepared in compliance with any of the CRIRSCO reporting codes and standards. I look forward to meeting some of you who can attend the course in Belgrade on the 18th and 19th of May this year, and I hope to see you in Serbia.